Hi children, have a good day. Let's start the day with a smile and make the best of it. Rise up, start fresh, see the bright opportunity in each new day, shall we? Today we are going to see a new writing topic. But before that, let me ask you a question. What do you do when you find rupees 1000 in your school ground? Yes, I hear that. We will take and give it to the office and ask them to find out who lost it. Correct. Every day, parents keep lunch boxes nearby PRO office, right? If the security can't identify it, what will they do? Yes, announcement. You're right. So, what is announcement? Good. Announcement is something said or written or printed to make known what has happened or what will happen. Now, there are several ways to give announcements. Through voice or through written, correct? Can you give example for a voice announcement? Right, prayer announcement, telephone, good. Or by telecasting a video, good. Now let's come to the next type, that is written announcement. WhatsApp, correct? Email, good. Circular, very good. Notice, excellent. Now we are going to see about notice. After this session, I believe students will be able to know why a notice is written, the style and procedure of it, and they'll be able to apply the correct format while writing a notice. Now, let's see what's a notice. Notices are to be displayed on notice board of a school or a college or any other government or private organizations, okay? Let me add one more point with it. It's a formal announcement or a piece of information given to public based on facts and rules to be followed. So, why is notice written? Notice is written in order to inform about an event or any program that is going to be held. You know well than what I expect. Good. It's usually written on certain general topics which is based on any upcoming event or programs such as competitions, contests, celebrations such as sports day, annual day, camps such as donation camps, NCC, NSS, health checkups, etc. As we have already seen, notices can also be given for lost or found. Good. It is used to give instruction or to inform about the change of time or venue or audition or rehearsal also. Let us see some important points to be followed while writing a notice. Notice must be outlined or enclosed inside a box. The word limit should be 50 words and so crisp information should be provided. Subject can be catchy and must be written in bold letters. It is better to start in a fresh page. Write in a proper format and use a formal tone, that is, in a polite way. Try to write notice in indirect speech and use passive voice only. Don't use personal pronouns like I, we or you. And what are the expectations of the evaluators? Usually teachers see whether you write in the correct format with a good presentation, that is content. Now let's see the format of it. The first thing, as we have already seen, is put a rectangular box. Write the name of the issuing authority, that is, the name of the institution giving notice. Next, you have to write the word notice in capital or bold letters, since this just makes the reader to read it. We should not generally use capital letters for all the words, as repeated use of capital letters can be considered as shouting or irritating. Then write when you write notice, that is, date of the notice. After that, write the title or subject of the notice like annual day celebration, health checkup, scouts and guides camp, etc., followed by the body of the notice, followed by the signature, name and designation of the authority. Let us see how to write the body of the notice. As already stated, it should be written within 50 words. Always start the body as this is to inform all the students that. You have to use students or staff or volunteers according to the given context. Write as 3 paragraphs. This does not mean that you have to write 10 or 12 lines in each paragraph. Just segregate it as 3 paragraphs by giving indentation. Each paragraph can contain 2 lines or even a single line according to the given situation. But it should answer to all WH questions, which means the first para should state what is the notice about or why the notice is written. It also should answer to who is it addressed to, like students, staff, etc. If it is an event, it should answer to where, that is the venue, when the event is going to take place. Always remember that there should be a difference between the date of the issue of notice and date of the event. Then tell the expectations if necessary. Write the instructions that should be followed like usage of instruments for singing competition, whom to contact, that is the class teacher or the undersigned, etc. Never forget to give the deadline or the last date. Before going to the example, let me give you one instruction that you must follow before writing any writing part. Read the question at least thrice silently in order to avoid making mistakes. Now, the question given here is, you are the secretary of activities club in your school. The annual day program is to be held next month. Write a notice for the school display board in this reference. The first thing you see is a rectangular box is drawn here. Then organization name is written here in the middle as ABC School Chennai. Next, the word notice is written in capital letters. Then we can see the date of the issue of notice, 16th April 2020, followed by the heading in the middle as Annual Day Celebration. As mentioned earlier, the body of the notice is started as this is to inform all the students that the school's annual day function will be held on 20th April 2020 from 1 pm to 3:30 pm at Anna Auditorium at the campus. Here you can see the difference in the dates given. 16th April is the date of the issue of notice, and on 20th April the program is going to be conducted. It is then followed by other additional details and instruction or expectation with deadline. Mr. Govindraj, Collector of Chennai, will grace the occasion. Students can collect their passes from their respective class teachers tomorrow. At last, the undersignee's sign and name with designation is written. I have also given other examples for lost and found. See those examples to have clear idea for the other situations. Let's rewind to remember what we saw from the beginning. What is notice? It's a printed piece of information addressed to a specific group of people. And what does it cover? It covers an event, inauguration, function, or general instructions. We also saw key points, format of notice writing, body of writing with examples. Now, your work is to write a notice for the given situation. You're the cultural coordinator of APC Public School, Vadodara. Your school has decided to organize a carnival to be held in the school grounds. You have been asked to write a notice about this carnival, inviting students and teachers to participate in it. Write a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up in notice board with all the relevant details. Remember to follow the format of notice writing and the other important points.